Everyone keeps talking about the Temu FREE Gift, but almost nobody talks about the part that actually matters. And honestly, that's why so many people end up disappointed. Here's the truth nobody talks about. Most people don't fail because the free gift feature doesn't exist. They fail because they spend all their time chasing the wrong coupon codes. Think about it. Every day, hundreds of videos claim this is the newest code. This one works. Use this before it's gone. So people copy a random code, try it once, get average results, and decide the whole thing is overhyped. That's exactly what I was doing. I wasn't testing Temu, I was testing random codes from random creators. And there's a huge difference. So I changed my approach. Instead of looking for 10 different codes, I started comparing them. Same account, same products, same shopping session. Only one thing changed each time, the coupon code. And one code kept outperforming the others. The code on your screen. Every time I started with it, I noticed the same pattern. The app loaded stronger coupon bundles. The discount offers looked better. The free gift section became more active, and the overall experience felt completely different. Meanwhile, the random codes I found online usually gave me the same boring result. Basic coupons, average offers, nothing memorable. That's the part nobody really talks about. People assume every Temu coupon code does the same thing. From everything I compared, that simply wasn't my experience. Now let's keep this completely honest. Does one coupon code guarantee huge rewards every single time? No. Different accounts can still see different promotions, and no code can promise identical results for everyone. But if there's one thing I learned, it's this. Stop chasing dozens of viral codes. Find one that consistently gives you the strongest combination of coupon bundles, discounts, and free gift opportunities, and stick with it. That's exactly why I still use the code on the screen. Out of everything I tested, it's the only one I kept coming back to. Before you copy another random code from the internet, try the one on your screen first. Then tell me honestly which gave you the better offers.